Espresso. Espresso is the foundation of most coffee drinks, made by forcing a small amount of nearly boiling water through finely ground coffee under high pressure. It originated in Italy and is known for its rich, concentrated flavor and thick crema on top. Despite its small size, it carries a bold taste and forms the base for many other coffee types. Americano. An americano is created by adding hot water to a shot of espresso, resulting in a smoother and less intense flavor. It became popular during World War II when American soldiers in Europe diluted espresso to resemble the coffee they were used to back home. The result is a drink that keeps the depth of espresso but feels lighter. Latte. A latte is made with espresso and a generous amount of steamed milk, finished with a thin layer of foam. It has a creamy texture and a mild coffee flavor, making it one of the most approachable options. Originating from Italy, it has become a global favorite, often customized with flavors like vanilla or caramel. Cappuccino. Cappuccino consists of equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. It's known for its balanced structure and airy texture. Traditionally served in smaller cups, it offers a stronger coffee taste than a latte, with the foam adding a soft, velvety finish. Flat white. A flat white is similar to a latte, but uses less milk and has a thinner layer of microfoam. It originated in Australia and New Zealand and is prized for its smooth texture and stronger espresso presence. The milk is carefully textured to blend seamlessly with the coffee. Macchiato. A macchiato is an espresso marked with a small amount of milk or foam. The name itself means stained or spotted in Italian. It keeps the bold intensity of espresso while adding just a hint of softness, making it a simple yet expressive drink. Mocha. Mocha combines espresso, steamed milk, and chocolate, often topped with whipped cream. It bridges the gap between coffee and dessert, offering a rich and slightly sweet experience. Its origins trace back to the Yemeni port city of Mocha, historically known for its coffee trade. Cortado. A cortado is made with equal parts espresso and warm milk, designed to reduce the acidity while preserving the coffee's strength. It comes from Spain and is known for its straightforward, no-frills approach. The milk is lightly textured, not foamy, allowing the espresso to remain the focus. Ristretto. Ristretto is a shorter, more concentrated shot of espresso made with less water. It has a sweeter and less bitter profile compared to a regular espresso. This method highlights the deeper flavors of the coffee while minimizing harsh notes. Lungo. Lungo is the opposite of ristretto, using more water to create a longer extraction. This results in a larger, slightly more diluted shot with a more bitter taste. It offers a different balance, bringing out flavors that are less noticeable in shorter extractions. Cold brew. Cold brew is made by steeping coarse coffee grounds in cold water for an extended period, usually 12 to 24 hours. It produces a smooth, low-acid drink with a naturally sweet profile. Unlike iced coffee, it is never exposed to heat during brewing. Iced coffee. Iced coffee is brewed hot and then cooled down, often served on ice. It retains the familiar flavor of traditional coffee, but offers a refreshing twist. The method is quick and widely popular, especially in warmer climates. Affogato. Affogato is a simple yet elegant combination of espresso poured over a scoop of ice cream, usually vanilla. It is both a dessert and a coffee experience, blending hot and cold elements in a single serving. The melting ice cream softens the espresso into a creamy treat. Turkish coffee.
Turkish coffee is prepared by simmering very finely ground coffee in water, often with sugar, in a special pot called a cezve. It is unfiltered, leaving a thick layer of grounds at the bottom. This method dates back centuries and is deeply rooted in Middle Eastern culture. French press. French press coffee is made by steeping coarse grounds in hot water and then pressing them down with a metal filter. It produces a full-bodied and rich cup with natural oils preserved. This method is simple yet valued for its depth of flavor. Pour-over coffee. Pour-over coffee involves slowly pouring hot water over coffee grounds in a filter, allowing precise control over extraction. It highlights the subtle flavors of the beans and is often used for high-quality specialty coffee. The process is calm and deliberate, reflecting a more mindful approach to brewing. Drip coffee. Drip coffee is made using an automatic machine that passes hot water through ground coffee into a pot. It is one of the most common brewing methods, especially in homes and offices. The result is a consistent and straightforward cup that many people rely on daily. Instant coffee. Instant coffee is made from brewed coffee that has been dried into powder or granules. It dissolves quickly in hot water, offering convenience over complexity. While it lacks the depth of freshly brewed coffee, it remains widely used for its speed and ease.